Are you trying to make money on YouTube? Well, you're on the right video because today I will show you one of the easiest way you can make money on YouTube without having great editing skills, without having a magnificent camera, and not even showing your face. Keep watching. Hi, I'm Curious Pavel, a videographer and an author, and today I'm collaborating with TunePocket. We got together and decided to give you this video and give you a very easy way how to do money, how to make money on YouTube. Quick disclaimer here, this is not get rich fast scheme. You're gonna need to put in the work, but still a fairly easy way. Please subscribe because there are more videos coming just like this one, and keep watching this video because at the end we have something special for you, something that you enjoy very, very much. Okay, let's get straight into it. How to make money on YouTube as a general. You need to be a partner with YouTube, and this works the following way. You need to first have an account in a country that YouTube is happy with. For example, I'm from Bulgaria. When I was in Bulgaria, I couldn't make money on YouTube because YouTube says, Bulgarian people, you in your country, create account, no problem, but you cannot monetize your videos. Now I'm in UK, I created account in UK and it's all good, I can be a partner. Next thing is you need to have an AdSense account. That's very easy. You create AdSense through Google, connect it to YouTube, and easy peasy. The next final two requirements are a bit tricky. That comes to the content you have. First of all, you need to have 1,000 subscribers or more on your channel. And the second thing is you need to have, watch this, 4,000 watched hours for the past 1 year. If you have ticked all these 4 requirements, then congratulations, my friend, because you can have ads on your channel and make money on YouTube. I'm sure I have your interest already, and I'm sure this subject opens up a lot of questions. So we got together with TunePocket and we decided to give answers to some of the questions that you probably have. So here is question number 1. What videos should I make to become a partner? There is no requirement on this. You can do whatever you want. Dogs, food, Pokemons, whatever it is. The thing is, why we are telling you about meditation videos is because, one, you don't need to show your face. You don't need to film anything. It's fairly easy. But the thing is that meditation videos are popular, are watchable, and watch this. They're watched throughout the whole video. That brings watch time to your channel, which brings you closer to the monetization if you're not there, or if you're there, brings more attraction to your channel, which YouTube will recommend more videos from. Question number 2, types of meditation videos. Oh, there are many types. There are relaxation videos, yoga videos, like a lot. You think meditation video is just one? No, there are many, and we can link them in the description. You can have a whole list of meditation videos that you can choose from and go forward to that. What do I need to create meditation videos? You need only 2 things. Really simple. Only 2 things? Yes, only 2 things. One, you need stock footage because it's a video, and if you don't film the video, you need to take the video out from somewhere. So you take this video, we're gonna put some websites in the description and you can take that for free. How cool is that? The next thing you need is music. You just need to take the music, depends on the type of meditation video you want. Take the music, combine the music and video, put it together. Here you go, YouTube. Let's start making money. Next question, can I use any free music? The $1 million question. Well, yes and no. How this works is free is good, but when it comes to making money, then that's a bit of a different subject. And what do I mean by that? Let's say I make music and I give you this music and I say, hey John, here you go, use this music. However, you, John, you enjoyed the music and at some point you decide, I'm gonna start selling this music. Now, John, you are making money out of me and I don't like that. You see what I mean? So the way this works is you need to have a license in order to use music in your videos. If you don't have a license, one of the few things is gonna happen. Let's say you take music from someone that the person is not happy with. One of the few things gonna happen. One, they can sue you. They can take your money, not just from YouTube, but from your pocket as well. But that's a very rare case. But here's what might happen. YouTube may stop putting ads on your channel. Or, maybe even worse, YouTube will put ads on your channel, but the money from these ads will go to the creator of the track. Either way, whatever happens, you don't want that. Now, if you have a license for a particular song and YouTube says, hey, you're not allowed to use that, and you say, hey, here's my license, they're like, okay, sorry, my bad. Here you go, your account is safe. So this is the way to fix it. You need to have a license for the music. And speaking of license, here is the time for the surprise I told you at the beginning of the video. We are giving you 10% discount for tunes that you can use on the website Tune Pocket. On Tune Pocket website, you'll find peaceful piano music, ambient soundscapes, and many more tracks made specifically for meditation and relaxation videos. And here's something more. If you want to go that extra mile to make your video even better, on the Tune Pocket website you'll find sound effects like waves, birds, nature sounds, and many more. Check the link in the description, browse around, and save that link somewhere, because new sounds are added every single day. Just use this promo code or even go to the description and you will have 10% discount towards your purchase. Well, thanks so much for watching. That's it for this video. Make sure you hit the like button, because that will help you to go through more eyes and will motivate us to do more videos and help you out. Make sure to subscribe, because we are going to produce more videos just like this one to help you out. Make sure to watch this video because it's also very helpful to you. Thanks so much. Once again, I'll see you in the next video.